People all over the world love investing in property, but what is it that attracts them to this sector? Well, firstly, as investments go, it's pretty simple. You buy a property and someone pays you to live in it or use it. The basic principles are the same everywhere, and almost anyone can learn how it works. Secondly, real estate is a tangible asset. You can look at it, walk around it and admire it. You're not just buying a piece of paper or numbers on a screen. Thirdly, values are a lot more stable than other investments. Property prices don't jump up and down like they do with the stock market. The income streams property generates are also consistent. Contracts are locked in so investors can be confident in cash flows over time. The fifth feature is the fundamentals: rising population, lack of space and a shortage of new homes, factors that will continue to push up demand over time. Then you have the transparency of the market. Investors have easy access to information about transactions. This supports a process of careful due diligence when investing. And finally, you have the leverage effect, the powerful ability to amplify financial returns using other people's money. Together, these 7 features make a compelling case for a real estate investment. What I want to do is equip you to capitalize on all these strengths, to give you a really deep understanding of how investments work, so you can have confidence to go out and find deals that make sense for you. Let's get started.